Hi, I'm Steve Fox, and I'd like to welcome you to Urban Putt, San Francisco's first and only indoor miniature golf course. Right now, we're working on the individual holes in foam core and tubing and other prototyping materials. So, come along with me and let's meet the team that's working on this.
The design aesthetic was really based on a Jules Verne steampunk-style concept.
Part of the design is not to be too robotic in a spacey sci-fi sense, but more in that visceral sort of Jules Verne, Bioshock, steampunky way.
We wanted to capture this mechanical and innovative vision to create these wonderful holes that used a lot of mechanical components and still be an artistic sculptural piece.
Most of the holes are sketched out in a couple different versions.
I'm working on the duck shooting gallery hole, which is fashioned after like a carnival shooting gallery. After the design phase with all of the sketching, we moved on to modeling it in a 1:6 ratio.
And then from those little foam core models, we'll tape out the floor and start constructing cardboard and foam core full-size mock-ups of the hole.
And then we test it, which involves lots of playing of mini golf. Then, once we've got all the angles and trajectories just how we want them.
From there, you move on to the computer work, and it's a lot of line work and 3D modeling.
But once we've got that fully tweaked, we can use it to export build plans for the contractor, send it out to be fabricated, or do it right here in-house with the ShopBot.
The first hole we started with was the San Francisco earthquake hole. We had to recreate all the old buildings, and we've put mechanisms in each building, so as you play through the course, sensors will turn on and off, the ground will start shaking, the financial district will start swaying. As you get towards the golden hydrant, which is the hole, a church falls down, it collapses. When you do finish the hole, everything resets itself, ready for the next group to come through.
I'm really excited about the mechanical orchestra hole. The hole gets triggered when different bicycle parts interact with the golf ball and the orchestra begins to play.
The marble labyrinth, it's been turned into a golf ball labyrinth, the full size of the classic marble maze. And instead of controlling by your hand, you'll be able to control it with your golf club as a joystick.
My favorite hole is probably the submarine hull. What's interesting about that is it's a two-part hole, and the other part outside of the submarine is underwater themed, and I think we're going to have an octopus gardening.
Each hole has like the special shot, the hero shot. If you make it, the hole does something special.
I have yet to get the 50 points on the skee ball hole.
It's going to be really a mini golf wonderland. Think chitty chitty bang bang and things flying through the air.
I think a lot of people will enjoy what we end up making.
So now that you've seen how much fun this is going to be, please join us in this crazy adventure.